The Patria Track X is a powerful all-terrain tracked vehicle built to handle almost any environment. It's like a multi-purpose tool on tracks. It weighs about 15.5 tons in combat setup and is powered by a 350 horsepower engine. On roads, it can reach speeds of up to 80 km per hour and travel around 500 km on a single range. It is designed to carry a crew of 2 along with up to 10 soldiers. The vehicle uses wide 56 cm rubber tracks and a hydropneumatic suspension system, which helps it move smoothly over snow, mud, swamps, and rough ground. It has light armor for protection and is also amphibious, meaning it can swim across water at about 4 km per hour. The Milram Type 10 is a modular unmanned tracked vehicle built for both civilian and military use. It can be fitted with different modules for tasks like carrying cargo, surveillance, combat support, or medical evacuation. The vehicle can work on its own or be controlled remotely, using advanced navigation and obstacle avoidance systems. Its strong rubber tracks and durable suspension allow it to carry heavy loads over rough and challenging terrain. The design makes it easy to quickly change mission equipment, so the same vehicle can be used for many different jobs. Because it operates without a crew, it helps keep people safe in dangerous or hard-to-reach areas. The Tracker AT80HD, also known as the Tracker AT80HD, is a tough tracked carrier made to work in places that are hard to reach and on very rough ground. It uses a powerful 173 horsepower JCB Tier 4 turbo diesel engine and is built with a heavy-duty walking beam suspension and a hydrostatic drive system. The wide 33-inch rubber tracks spread the weight well, allowing it to carry up to 14,000 pounds, 6,350 kg, while putting only about 2.3 psi of pressure on the ground. Because of this design, it can easily move through deep mud, snow, swampy areas, and even climb steep slopes without trouble. Although the manufacturer does not share an official new price, used AT80HD machines have been seen selling for around $25,000. The Yanmar AC21 crawler is a small but tough machine made to handle rough ground easily. It runs on a 1.0-liter, 3-cylinder diesel engine that produces about 20.5 horsepower, which is enough to move steadily over soft or uneven surfaces. Weighing around 830 kilograms and measuring about 233 centimeters long and 125 centimeters wide, it can work in tight spaces where bigger machines cannot go. Its crawler tracks give it good grip, and the hydrostatic transmission makes driving smooth and easy. It's best suited for uneven or confined areas. Although it's not designed specifically for deep snow, its tracks and compact size suggest it could handle light snow, muddy paths, or mild winter conditions. It's a practical choice for off-road tasks and light winter use. The Bombardier J5 Mini is a small, tough machine made for working in snow and wet, swampy areas, not for speed. It has a 115 horsepower engine, wide tracks, and very low ground pressure, so it can move easily over deep snow, soft mud, and icy ground without getting stuck. Because it is smaller and shorter than other Muskeg models, it is easier to handle in tight places. This makes it a good choice for forest paths, remote jobs, and logging work. It's not exciting or fast, but if you need a reliable, hard-working vehicle for rough winter travel, the J5 is a smart and practical choice. The Tucker Snow Kitten feels like a small legend from the past. It's compact, simple in design, and built strong for deep snow. It uses 2 steel tracks that run on pontoons and is powered by an old Ford-based engine with about 32 horsepower. This setup lets it glide over snow gently without sinking. It's not fast, reaching only around 11 miles per hour, but its small size and easy gear controls make it simple to handle, even on narrow forest trails. Only about 110 units were ever made, which makes it very rare. Today, it's more of a nostalgic snow vehicle than a practical modern machine. For anyone who loves vintage toughness and calm, slow snow travel, it's a charming classic. The Husqvarna P525D is a compact and tough machine built for work all year round. It uses a strong 1123 cc 3-cylinder Kubota diesel engine that produces about 24 horsepower, giving it reliable and steady performance. With a price around £19,000, it's not cheap. However, For anyone looking for a durable, compact utility machine that can mow grass, clear snow, and handle debris without hassle, the P525D is a solid and dependable choice. The Bombardier BR100, often called Bombi, is a small but tough tracked vehicle made for snowy conditions. It weighs about 900 kilograms and uses wide dual tracks that spread its weight evenly, allowing it to move smoothly over deep snow without sinking. It is powered by a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 57 horsepower. The top speed is about 32 kilometers per hour, which is not fast, but it's enough for tasks like grooming trails or carrying people and equipment in remote winter areas. Because of its compact size, the BR100 is easier to handle than large snowcats, while still offering the strong, durable build of classic tracked machines. It's not designed for speed or luxury, but for reliable movement and hard work in deep snow. A simple, no-frills workhorse with old-school character. The Campana T-Rex RR is a high-performance three-wheel sports machine with a starting price of around $65,000. It is powered by a naturally aspirated 1,441cc Kawasaki inline-4 engine that produces 208 horsepower at 10,000 rpm and 116.5 pound-feet of torque at 7,500 rpm. The power is sent through a 6-speed sequential gearbox with a built-in reverse. Weighing about 998 pounds, the T-Rex RR can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds and can handle up to 1.3 grams of cornering force. Its strong tubular steel roll cage chassis is paired with adjustable RR5 coilover suspension, double wishbones at the front, a rear swing arm, and ABS with 4 traction control modes for better stability and control. With race-level performance, premium details, and full street legality, the T-Rex RR delivers a truly unique and exciting three-wheel driving experience. The Canyon Endurance OnFly feels like a fresh take on what an electric road bike should be. It's light, slim, and very clean in design. When you ride it, it almost feels like a normal carbon road bike, with gentle electric help only when you need it. The key feature is its small TQHPR40 mid-drive motor and a 290 watt-hours battery that is fully hidden inside the frame. Because everything is so well integrated, the bike stays impressively light. The top models weigh under 10 kilograms, around 9.86 kilograms, which is lighter than many regular road bikes. The motor provides up to 200 watts of assistance and about 40 Newton-meters of torque. This is enough to make climbs and long rides easier, but it doesn't take away the natural feeling of pedaling. Prices depend on the setup. Entry models start at about €4,499, while high-end versions with electronic shifting can go up to around €9,999. The Segway Zafari is a versatile electric bike made for both city riding and off-road adventures. It costs around $2,400 and comes with a powerful 750W rear hub motor that delivers strong torque, helping it reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. The bike uses a 48 volts 936 watt-hours battery that can travel up to 88 miles on a single charge and takes about 5.3 hours to fully recharge. For a smooth and comfortable ride, it has front suspension with 80mm travel and rear suspension with 70mm travel. Safety is handled by Tektro hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors, while 26 by 3-inch Kenda all-terrain tires provide good grip and stability on different surfaces. Overall, the Segway Zafari blends strong performance, comfort, safety, and smart technology, making it a great choice for riders looking for a reliable and feature-packed e-bike. The Specialized Turbo Creo 2 Comp is an electric bike that feels like a real road and gravel bike, without losing the natural riding experience. The electric assist is smooth and only helps when you need it, so it never feels overpowering. It uses a lightweight carbon 11R frame with a clean design, a fully built-in 320 watt-hours battery, and hidden cable routing. The bike is powered by specialized new SL 1.2 lightweight motor, which is quiet and efficient. This setup is great for long rides in mixed terrain, and you can add a range extender if you want even more distance. The Turbo Creo 2 Comp costs around $10,500. For the carbon frame, integrated electric system, and high-quality components, it sits in the premium electric road and gravel bike category.